That's so cool. Are you testing out something?
We've just got these for Ripley's, and
Oh, for
we're putting on show, and then just kind of getting people to talk about it.
Oh, nice.
They're a lot of fun, and some people love them, some people don't. It's just the kids love it.
Yeah,
so some of the adults don't, but it's really cool technology.
Will you make it jump on all four?
Yeah, I can show you jump.
Oh, nice. That's so cool. Did you have to learn how to operate it?
It's very easy.
It's easy.
A lot of it's just controls on here.
Oh, okay.
It'll have different things it can do, and then
Oh, nice.
it has just like a railing controller, make it turn, and it'll walk forward, backwards.
Is it from IBM?
I can't remember exactly what they told me. It's not IBM.
Okay.
I can't remember exactly what they told me. But it's very easy to use, and it's very nice.
Nice.
The battery lasts like 2 hours.
Oh,
so
okay.
it's pretty good as well.
But how long it takes to charge?
I think they said 4 to 6 hours fully charged.
Oh, okay.
So we have it out for about 30 minutes at a time. We'll put it back on the charger and bring it back out.
Yeah, my son wanted a dog. My wife is scared. Maybe this is the dog.
They're very nice.
Yeah, right? They don't bite.
No biting. It listens. Listens good.
Listen, right?
Yeah.
No morning walks.
Yeah.
No other business.
But it's really just one chain. But they issued one reception and then they got back ordered again to what was that?